What's up guys? So meron naman tayong pinipick up na unit. So for ceramic coating na naman to guys. So yung dala natin ngayon guys is Toyota Hiace Grandia 2025. Medyo matagal-tagal din tayong di nakagawa ng content sa ating trabaho guys. Kasi medyo busy tayo ngayon. Dito guys, natapos na nga naming ma-ceramic coating yung sasakyan at 3D4 release na siya. So i-deliver na natin yung unit guys. Matapos ang halos isang oras na biyahe guys, nakarating na din tayo sa bahay ng ating client. So hanggang dito na lang guys. Kita-kita tayo sa next video natin. Peace out.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but